In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a logo in Xero and update your company branding. Whether you're revamping your brand identity or simply keeping things fresh, updating your logo in Xero is a key step. Let's dive in and make sure you look your best online. First, you'll need to access Xero. If you haven't already, head over to your preferred web browser and enter Xero in the search bar. Once the results load, you should see the link for Xero, accounting software for small businesses. Give that a click, and it will bring you straight to Xero's homepage. Next, you'll need to log in. On the Xero homepage, there's a straightforward Login button at the top right corner. Click there and enter your credentials to access your account. If you have two-step authentication enabled, be sure to have your authentication method handy to complete your login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Xero dashboard. You'll notice your business name at the top of this page. Click on it to open your profile settings, where you can make modifications. It's a good idea to regularly check this area for updates and settings that can enhance how your business is represented online. Now, find and click on the Settings option. This is where most of your detailed business configurations will reside. From Settings, navigate to Organization Details. This section manages everything related to your business's identity on Xero. In the Organization Details area, look for the option to upload your logo. It's typically a button labeled Upload Logo. Click on that, which should open up a file dialog box from your computer. Choose the file with your logo image. Make sure your logo is in a supported format, commonly PNG, JPG, or GIF, and fits within any resolution requirements listed on Xero. Ideally, your logo should be clear and professional, using your brand's colors accurately. Before wrapping up, there's a checkbox under the logo. Clicking this will ensure that Xero uses the uploaded logo across documents, invoices, and any other business representation materials. This is a handy feature for keeping your branding consistent. Once you've double-checked everything, finalize your changes by clicking the Save button. You'll want to make sure everything looks correct and professional. Your updated logo should now be integrated across your Xero account, visible in places where your company's identity appears. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your logo and polished your company branding on Xero. Keeping this updated ensures you're always putting your best foot forward to clients and partners alike. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more tutorials. Happy branding!